Hey everyone, today we have a brand new device which can convert your home into a smart home, the Zook Clicker. This device is a smart Wi-Fi universal remote control which can control all your IR devices via smartphone or via voice. This device is going to solve a lot of your remote control woes. As we always have our smartphone close, now your mobile phone will be a control center for all your IR remotes. So no more juggling with multiple remotes. In the box, we have the Zook Clicker Wi-Fi IR remote control, a micro USB to USB-A cable, one double-sided sticker if you want to keep it in one place, a user manual, very important, and a certificate of authenticity. Before you can use the device, we need to set it up, and that is done by first installing the Zook Smart app on your Android or iOS phone. Better if you do this step before installing the Zook Clicker. So, register for an account and log in. The device, once connected to power using the provided USB cable, should have the LED on its face blink rapidly. This indicates that the device is ready to pair to your Wi-Fi. On the app, hit Add Device button, select Gateway and Others from the side menu, locate the universal remote control, and on the next screen, you're prompted to enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Enter your password and hit Next. The LED on your clicker should be blinking one time every half second. If the LED on the top face is not blinking, press and hold down the reset button found under the device. The device resets and the LED blinks again, ready in pairing mode. Tap the appropriate button on the phone, and this will be the first one on here, and the app transfer your Wi-Fi credentials to the device, allowing it to connect to your Wi-Fi network. The app completes the configuration and the device is ready. Now that the device is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone, we can start adding remotes to it. First, I'll add my TV to the list. You can search for your TV brand using the search bar provided. It provides a virtual remote on screen, and we need to test if the buttons work. If it does, we keep this remote or we select another until we find the right one. There are multiple models listed, so you will need to find the one that works with your TV. So let's test if the TV is responding to the signals from the device. Next, we'll add the air conditioner. Similar setup, select your brand, test if the remote works, and accept. The important feature this app provides is the voice automation. This is possible via Amazon's Echo devices and Google Home devices, or even the voice assistants on your phone. Before you can use the Zook Clicker with the Amazon Alexa or the Google Home, you will need to set them up in their respective apps. So, for Amazon Alexa, you need to open up the Alexa app. On the top left, you have the hamburger menu. In that, you select skills and games. On the top right, you have this search bar, search for Zook Smart. And on that page, you have enabled this skill. Setting up for Google Home is also quite similar. You would use the Home app, which is by Google. You would add a new device from the top left, and you would click on Set up a new device. And over there, you have Manage Accounts, and you have a search bar over there. You would search for Zook Smart. Once you select Zook Smart, it will ask for connecting with your Google account. Once you do that, access is granted to the Zook Clicker, and you can start using it via voice using the Google Home app. Turn off Guest TV. Turn on Guest TV. There you go. Alexa takes care of turning on the TV via voice. Increase volume Guest TV.
Okay.
Decrease Guest TV volume. When I set up the device, I use the name Guest TV, but you can use any name for the remote. Now let's see the AC. Turn on Guest AC.
Okay.
Increase Guest AC temperature.
Guest AC is set to 23.
Turn off guest AC.
Okay.
Wow, it's so simple to use. You could even do this while you're on the way back from work and you want to set the room to a certain temperature. By the time you are there, just use the app on the phone. It's super convenient. Similar for the set-top box, you can turn it on or off, change channels, or even increase or decrease the volume. Perchance your device is not included in the list, don't worry. You can add a custom DIY remote and make the Zoop clicker learn by pointing your remote at it. It's that simple. If you have any questions, do write into us at tech@talkingstuff.net or WhatsApp us at 9655788833. Also make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.